We have a case here, W204. Key in, on, no cranking. I think mechanic diagnosis say no fault code. We replace this fuse box. This is the starter relay. We can try. Use manual bypass. I use this. Go on, without hand. Redirect. Okay, we check 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. The fuse is blown, so we replace a new one. Just now we try to bypass the starter, I think wrong pin. Okay, I'll try to on ignition. No crank. Relay bypass. So we need to find out what's the issue. So now we have fault code in the. We try to check the front send because now it's front send not giving signal to starter. There's some malfunction here. Later I will check.